But just don't hit it right at the tip of your tongue. Just
You want to get another flower?
yeah.
It's cool. Look, I don't know if you can see this, but
Ooh, you can see it on me.
I can't see what I'm doing actually. Because I
Whoa, a clap.
I can't.
It feels so weird. Clap. Can you feel like vibrating
Yeah,
on you?
it's like blowing onto my arm. Also, it hurts my hand.
If you like white girls,
Yeah.
really, really white, crusty girls.
Yeah. My swimsuit is supposed to bend. It doesn't.
We're just sitting in the car. Oh, look, there's a sweet date.
Oh, should I go to the back?
Hey guys, so I woke up to a really tiny earthquake this morning. I've only been in an earthquake like one time, and I was in Utah. The first day of quarantine. But yeah, I like freaked out for a second. My hair is not right. Anyways, I just woke up and I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. I woke up at 5 in the morning yesterday, and then we left at 6 to go to the airport, and my flight was at 7. We left at 7:55, and then I got here at 8:40 Washington time. So I'm in Washington now, but I'm going to Alaska tomorrow. I'm really excited because I haven't been to Alaska since I lived there when I was 1 and 2, because I lived there for 2 years. I wasn't born there either. I was born in Texas, but yeah. So I've never been there. My mom really wanted to come because she's like obsessed with it, but she thinks she won't be able to come back to Utah after we go. So yeah. Anyways, I just woke up. Well, I woke up at 7, but I just got out of bed and I have my retainers in and haven't gotten dressed or anything. So let's get ready. Maybe I'll go on a run first, but I probably won't make it very far. Whoops. Well, these match really well. I'm back. I only ran 1.2 miles, but it was at a faster pace. So, yeah. I was too scared to ask my grandpa if I could use, or if I could go on a run, because he was like sleeping. So I wanted to get back quickly. It's hot. Isn't that a wonderful noise? How do I even work in Apple TV? My food is getting cold. Like, I have the show. Here, I'll show you. I have the show right here, but how do you freaking click? Like, and then I press this thing, light as a feather. Because I don't know how to click the button, so I can't just search it. But how do I click on it? Yes. Dang it. Yeah, I don't know what. Oh, wait. Light as a feather. Play. Oh my. Okay, I got it. I just had to press the play button. Having a breadstick, Dino Bites, and grape juice for breakfast. My grandpa just told me we're going to Totem restaurant for breakfast, so I can't eat my food now, except I did eat my breadstick. It was just really hard to eat.
Information. One of the worst I've had.
I need to go to the marina. I was going to take Sanders to the Marina Village. What are you doing? That one 5 feet shorter than the last one.
I've done it before, I just forgot how.
That was super closer.
Super
For sure.
Well, I sat there and watched a movie for a really long time. Now my hair's kind of a mess. And we're about to go to the store to get some snacks. So that's what I'm doing, but I'm leaving my phone here probably because it's almost dead. Oh, I didn't hear him or see him. Hi, fish. Freak, look at my pants. What's happening? All my pants are broken. Hey guys. So apparently I did bring my phone and now it's about to die double. This. I charged it for like 2 minutes before we left. And I'm pretty sure I wore my mask upside down. We're going to a restaurant for Trevor's birthday, but well, he wanted to go to Keg's, Cheesecake Factory, or Spaghetti Factory, and all of those only take 5 people, and also had reservations past 8:30, and we wanted to go at 7, and 8:30 is really late, so yeah, that's what's going on. And so I'll check back with you at sometime before we leave, or when we're there. Right now. So it's nighttime. You see the night? I see the night. Anyways, I'm really hyper right now, but my phone was dead, so I left it home. But I FaceTimed my friends for like 2 hours, but then once all of them, or most, like all of them except 2, got on, I left. I had to go eat dinner. But it's fine. It's fine. I mean, it was fine because we were celebrating my Uncle Trevor's birthday. Yeah, that was a nice time. We went to Spaghetti Factory. It wasn't closed and my dad didn't come, so we ate together, not separated, because Washington only lets you have 5 people, and you have to wear masks everywhere you go starting tomorrow, Friday, June 26th. But guess what? I'm gonna be in Alaska tomorrow. So, well, I mean, I'll have to wear a mask on the plane anyways. That's what I did. First time. This is a real ab workout. Laying like this. And the camera's down here. And I keep looking up in this corner. Maybe I should flip it, like, and look there. But then my phone case isn't there. Sorry if I just messed up your camera. But yeah, I'll tell you when I'm going to bed. It's probably gonna be a long vlog. But I'm not really doing anything. I'll probably watch Newsies on Disney Plus if they have Disney Plus. This doesn't flip. But yep.
They have their light on all night.
Yeah.
I think it'd be hard to sleep in blue.
Choked down the last few bites.
No, I didn't.